Day in the life solo travel in the Philippines. We in Cebu, you guys, and I really love this place. I went to go work out and then I use my flex beam so that I can get some good recovery in. I'm staying at a cool hostel with a nice vibe, so I ordered some food and checked my business emails so I can set up some collabs here in Cebu. And before you know it, boom, I was out with the kids on the block. I took them to go eat and we played basketball and it was so fun. That's in my full vlog if you want to check it out. Then there was a night market. Went to go get some drinks for only 5 pesos. And then I spent the block back to the hostel because I wanted to catch happy hour. Hee hee. Yo, this is my first time really staying at a hostel and connecting with people. It felt like I made family here. The vibes were just so right. I mean, one minute I'm kicking it playing pool. The next minute I am getting drinks, sitting with beautiful ladies that I know from now all over the world, and we started eating bugs. And yes, the bugs were good. They taste like chickpeas a little bit. Look at her. Wow. Yo, no one told me the Philippines love karaoke. I love karaoke. So we got some more drinks, we got food, and we sang all night. Now, it was really a vibe. Every night I stay on this island, it gets better and better. And this is just a